Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade cornbread. So for this recipe you're going to be needing 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of oil and 1 cup of milk. You will also need a bread pan to make this cornbread. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, before we start mixing everything, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees because we are going to bake this for about 25 minutes. So now I'm going to take all the dry ingredients and just put them in one bowl. Just all the dry ones, just like so, and then just kind of mix everything together. Now I'm going to take my milk and pour it in, and now take my oil, put that in as well, and now I'm gonna go ahead and crack my eggs and put that in there. That's 1, that's 2, and just make sure everything is well combined. It doesn't have to be super smooth. You want to do just a rough mix. Just like this. All right, let me just clean these up a little bit. So now you're gonna go ahead and take your pan, and I have some cooking oil spray that I'll be using just to prevent the cornbread to stick down in my pan. And now you just want to go ahead and pour it in. Again, we're going to be baking this at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Just like this. And now I'm gonna stick it under my oven for 25 minutes. Just make sure you shake it so it's leveled, and then bake it. Once it's done, to double check to see if it's done, you take a toothpick and just stick in there. So about 25 minutes. Alright guys, as you can see, my cornbread is all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a toothpick and kind of poke in it. And as you can see, it came out clean, which means my cornbread is done. I will be eating this with some chili, which I do have the chili video up on this channel for you guys. I will leave the link for that chili video down in the description box for you guys to check out. And please go like my Facebook page, my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter. I will leave all the link for those down in the description box. Otherwise, this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and please share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.